Hi and welcome back to Sailing with Faith. This is where we're looking at the flaw or the sole that needed desperately replacing. This is our 26th video. Please like and subscribe. So the floors are looking pretty rough. Various different levels of refurbishment through the years. With all the heat and cold, wood takes quite a toll over the years, which is typically why older boats, the wood is much darker. So replacing it with this phenolic panel really was a very interesting material that I was able to find. You can see this is the finished product. And this is how I did it. Alignment is paramount, obviously. I used the old panels as templates to cut out the new panel. But before I did that, I did take a lot of pictures above, which kind of showed the fit of the old panel. So where there was gaps and where it was tight. And I marked that on the panel itself and looked at it when I was doing the marking out. Made sure I used that information when I was doing the cutting. So alignment with these striped lines is really important. Obviously when you go down into the boat and you look along all the panels, you don't want them all in different directions. So center line of the boat plus the position of the striped lines on each panel, because they all had to align, was really important. So precision and time really is paramount. You're going to be living with something below your feet for many years. It's worth doing properly, slowly, precisionally, and get it done right. So marking the panel out, first of all, using the old one as a template. You can see there's a mark right there where I knew it was tight against the fiberglass of the boat. So marking that out, I know now where to cut inside or outside of the line to give the best fit. Of course I can fettle it afterwards, but this would save a lot of work by cutting a lot more accurately to where we need to be. So once it was all marked out, removing the clamps and the panel, and then starting the cutting process, which I just used a saw, circular saw, and to go around the radius, the inside radius bits, I used just drilled a lot of holes, and then there was a lot of fettling. So some of the work was done outside, some of the work was done on the boat. Really cold this winter, so with all the doors closed and the heater going, it was quite cozy down below. And there's the finished product. You can see all the lines are lined properly. The stripes are going in alignment with the center line of the boat, and they fit really well. Screw them down wherever it's loose, and I think it looks really good. It brightens the boat up. Yeah, they've got to be clean, but I'm very happy with the results. So the marina, you can see, was really cold, frozen over. Didn't stop me. I enjoy going down to the boat and doing these jobs. There's always a few other bits and pieces that need doing when I'm there, so that's where we are right now, in her place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Look forward to the next video.